Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to see about the store procedure. Previous video we have seen the view and now we are going to see the store procedure. Actually how to create the store procedure and what is the store procedure we can see here. Like a store procedure is a pre-written SQL query that can be called by multiple times and will run as the same. Like we can create the store procedure for inserting and select and update in the SQL database. Let's see, let me give you a simple example. Like I want to see uh, seller star for I have a database, this is the one, and product and category. So I want to see the only the there is an food category, right? So I want to see the only for the food category items for every day. For that one I am just going to be write like select star from and the database name where category equal to food and execute. If I'm using any other query, there is any other large data means I have to be is there any other complex queries also there means we have to write every time and we have to execute. So on that time, so we can create the one of the store procedure like this. I want to create the store procedure like a food and I want to execute the only the food. Let's see. So here I'm just okay, insert select okay. Create store browser, select store from the browser equal to category equal to food. There the query is right. Strong in this. Syntax keyword select. Oh sorry, I just missed it here. See here, whenever you want to create the store procedure, we have to mention okay, this is the procedure name and as we are calling alias. So here it is okay. Yes, now it was completed. Now we are going to execute this one. Execute what the procedure name is the food. So we are executing the procedure name is a food. Okay, let's see. See, I got the details for this one. And you want to run or any you have any complex query like we have a number of lines, it will be there means you can use the store procedure. That is also you are using regularly. Day by day you are using the same query means we can create this store procedure and we can execute like this. It will be very helpful and it will be like simplifying this one. Thank you for watching. If no one is subscribed to my channel, like anyone is came from the channel, please do subscribe, like, share. Thank you.